First, this is not scripted, nor did I use any kind of fancy video cameras or production. This is about a predictable and consistent income that hundreds of my team members inside Big Home Business are implementing and are succeeding with. This is about the integration of Big Home Business and Textbot.ai and how it's going to drop $100 into your bank account all day, every day, like Chili's happy hour. Well, maybe not every day, but you can bet assured it's more consistent than anything you've ever tried online. This is about getting your bills paid over and over and over again. See, we have predictable bills, right? Then we should have, it just makes sense to have a predictable income. This is about part-time wealth. And let me share something with you about part-time wealth. Here's the key: to earn as much part-time as you do on your full-time job or with your retirement check. Let me say that again. To earn as much part-time as you do on your full-time job or with your retirement check. This is called the magic of part-time. This will take you about 6 months. You simply work 4 to 7 hours a week on your profit-generating predictable income machine. Hi, my name is Angel Lopez. I've been a top internet marketer, direct sales marketer since 2007. My best year, I made $989,000. My lowest year was 2019 when I had open heart surgery and I was pretty much out for 9 months. I still made a whopping $367,000. I averaged about $634,000 year after year after year. Friends, we have over 619 testimonials, and you're going to receive a link at the end of this webinar to just browse through them, and you can see 3 common denominators. No one has a platform like Big Home Business that can absolutely help you. Nobody works harder than me. I'm not on the world's beaches, right? The truth is, on this home-based business niche, a lot of us need a little hand-holding. And number 3, people just like you who have never made money before are making money. This is about cash flow, and cash flow, make no mistake about it, is king. You see, you ain't got big problems, you got small money. Let me say that again. You ain't got big problems, chances are you got small money. And the Big Home Business TextBot integration is all about big money, putting big money into your bank account, increasing your cash flow with a predictable and consistent income. Health issues, big money can help with obtaining the best doctors, top specialists, and medical centers, and it can help you or a loved one can afford the best medicines. Mortgage rent problems, big money can easily make that headache disappear. Recurring bills piling up, big money can dwindle it down to nothingness. Depressed about your life, big money can quickly splash a bigger smile across your face faster than Bozo the Clown. Friends, this is going to be broken into 2 parts. The first part is about Big Home Business, which is our unified duplicatable system. We call it the TRS 9900 machine. And the second part of this presentation is about the TextBot.ai. It's our money vehicle. It's our money vehicle integrated with Big Home Business. That's what's going to drop you $100 over and over again. And guess what? The best thing about this, it's 99.99% automatic. You see, we have a saying around Big Home Business: get them in church and we're going to get them saved. Get them in church and we're going to get them saved. You know, there's an old saying: give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach him how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. That's a bunch of cow manure. Excuse the picture, but it's the truth. When you're hungry, you don't even feel like getting out of bed. When you're hungry, you don't feel like learning a damn thing. And you know, you're trying to teach a guy to fish. Well, you take the hook and you put it through. Man, just give me the fish. Friends, when you're having issues financially, when you're worrying about your bills, your mortgage, your car payment, your insurance, man, you don't feel like learning anything. You don't even feel like getting out of bed, let alone watch some video. I'm letting you know, this is all about getting $100 deposited into your account over and over again. I'm gonna share with you something real quick. When you join our team, and you're gonna be like shocked on how much it costs to join our team, you're gonna get access to our Big Home Business platform. And the total value as the date I did this video, which is several months, the date I did this slide, which was several months ago, is $49,068. Now listen, the value is formulated by 17 years of pricing, my funnels, affiliate pages, custom membership site with a unified duplicatable system, video packages, content packages, personal coaching, consultation, special live webinars, and the cost to run touch campaigns for each hot prospect. $49,000. And at the end, you're gonna see how you're gonna get access to Big Home Business and everything that it brings for $100. For $100. Some of the things you get, some of the content you get access to is YouTube authority. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world, the #2 social media platform. You share our Big Home Business videos on YouTube, your channel, and you win. YouTube is free. I know that a lot of y'all been trying to make money from home, and you have the money to join this or that, but you're limited with marketing and promoting. And this is a real business. Make no mistake about it. Even within Big Home Business, you're gonna have to promote your affiliate link, right? But guess what? We have the sources that even if you don't have a dime extra to promote and to market, you can do this. You can do this. One of the examples is YouTube. Here's another YouTube channel SEO, right? You get access to that. You get access to our social messaging apps for marketers. It's crazy good. See, these are all platforms that you use when you're very limited on any kind of marketing expense. Facebook Messenger, we all know Facebook is free. You get access to that course. Instagram marketing, right? Where's some more and more? I'm just showing you a little bit because I'd be here all day if we showed you everything inside Big Home Business. Modern Twitter marketing. This is big. Authority blogging. Why this is big? Because inside Big Home Business, you have a powerful blogging platform. This is Michael Bell. This is one of his first blogs. Didn't cost him extra, nothing. He can blog as much content as he wants, and it gets picked up by Google. That's powerful. See, when you're found on Google, you have a presence. You have a presence. You know, there's an old saying that says, well, if it's in print, it's believable. Well, if you're online, you're pretty much an instant guru. This is Craigslist. Craigslist still receives 50 million visitors a month, 4 billion page turns. By far, hands down, this is the most cost-effective way that you're going to promote, because it only costs you $35 in a month in an ad, and the ad will last 30 days. Just this week alone, and it's June 11th, we've had 7 different affiliates bring 8 different people, new prospects, into Big Home Business, and they converted just off a $35 ad. Nobody has our Craigslist referral funnel, and you'll learn all about that when you join. It doesn't cost you anything. It's part of that $50,000 worth of content and tools and software that we give you. We also have over 114 niche affiliate marketing pages for you to use to promote Big Home Business. Not one, not two, we have over 100, well, we have, as of this date, 114. And guess what? They're niche. If you're in real estate, boom, we have real estate pages. If you live in a certain geolocation, like Washington, D.C., we have specific pages for that. North Dakota for that. Florida for that. We even have, let me just show you a little bit. This is our TextBot affiliate page. This is our predictable income page. This is our highest converter right here. This is our Craigslist. With this professional spokesman cost me $300. It's not no little cheap video. This is a professional video you get with your Craigslist page. That's powerful. Here's another one to improve your finances. Here, this is a geo-targeted niche specific affiliate page. Vegas, right? If you want to post an ad on Vegas, or maybe you live on Vegas, here's the UK. Here's Canada, because Canada is big and the UK is big. Here's another one, Singapore, because Big Home Business is worldwide. We're global. Here's Living the Dream. I love that picture, right? You get all these. And if you have a certain idea, you just email me and we don't charge you. These are all professional images that we have the rights to. We purchase in Shutterstock, no cost to you. If you want to promote a faith-based, there you go. With a faith-based theme, is Christianity called to poverty? By the way, that video, 3 minutes and 48 seconds long, is one of my most powerful videos. It's powerful. Here's another one. Now you stop working for retirees, means you can start earning real money. And during these times, we have a quarantine money system affiliate page. It just resonates. Again, let me share this again. Get him in church, and we're gonna get him saved. That's all. I apologize. I just noticed that it was cut off. The letters, some of the frames are bigger. Like I told you, I'm not scripting. I always believe. I've always believed. I've been doing this for 17 years. I should know. I always say, well, if someone stops you off the street, they ask you what do you do and can you explain your program, can you? And most people say no. Me, I know this by the back of my hand because I've been doing it for 17 years. If you've been doing something for 17 years long enough, you better be good at it or you need to change. Again, this is all about pocketing $100 into your pockets, into your bank account, shot right into your bank account. No waiting on getting paid, your commissions, nothing like that. And I keep telling you, 619 testimonials. Can't lie, these are people just like you. Just like you. Again, it's gonna cost you a one-time $100 to join TextBot. After I'm finished, I send you off to learn all about TextBot. That's the second part, like I told you, of this webinar. $100 one time. That's it. And remember, inside Big Home Business, when you join TextBot through this link right here, you're gonna get access, full and complete access to Big Home Business. And again, I'm gonna just read off some of these things right here. Big Home Business is unified duplicatable membership system. That's what allows us to be able to tell you, just get him in church, get out of the way, and we're gonna get him saved. Look, at the time I had this image, we had 11 highest converting neural marketing campaign funnels. Now, which were valued at $997 each. Now, you saw we have 114. We close your scheduled hot prospects. When we say get him in church and get out of the way, and we're gonna get him saved, that's exactly what we mean. You don't call anyone, you don't text anyone, you don't email anyone, you don't talk to anyone. Let us do it. Let us do it. You have no idea. For some of y'all that follow me on Facebook, you can see on my wall, every time an affiliate gets a conversion, makes $100, boom, I post it on the wall. And my wall is pretty much filled because there's not a day that passes that affiliates aren't converting within Big Home Business. again, I told you, it's all about big money. So here's your next step, okay? Joining Big Home Business TextBot.ai. Step 1, you're gonna watch the TextBot presentation and join. You see that button right there where it says TextBot? You watch it, you click on it, it's gonna open up a new window, and you're gonna go through the process and just listen to my good friend Jeff Long. And if it resonates, you join. And then you're gonna click on step 2. You're gonna come back to the page, click on step 2, register to Big Home Business. You're gonna register. Your sponsor in TextBot, whoever that affiliate is from Big Home Business, is gonna send me an email that you join, and I'm gonna upgrade you. And then the fun begins. It takes about 8 minutes to integrate Big Home Business with Textbot.ai. And here's the best thing. This very webinar that you're watching right now, you get with your own TextBot link, your own Big Home Business affiliate link, everything you get at no charge. Look, in closing, I'm gonna say this. If you're looking to finally succeed from home, chances are you've been in a BizOp or MLM, you've been beat up by a BizOp or MLM, or your sponsor went into the witness protection program. There's a link there for testimonials. I encourage you. They go back to 2014 when I first started collecting testimonials to today, or the last day that someone left a testimonial. I encourage you to just go browse through them. Just browse through them. I'm accessible 24/7 for my team. When I say that, I mean that. I'm not on the world's beaches. If you ever needed someone to hold your hand, Big Home Business is that platform. I'm that guy. My staff is that staff. I thank you for watching this webinar. Go to step 1, and again, you come back to step 2, and then you can come back and click on the testimonial links. Have a great day. Stay safe.